Hello everyone, welcome to Snapfind Tutorials. My name is Lata and today we will be covering a really important topic, that is 7 ways of earning with Snapfind. So if you are somebody who have recently joined Snapfind and if you are confused how I'm gonna earn with Snapfind, okay, this is the go-to video you have to watch. Alright, so let's start the video without wasting any time. The first thing that we are having, the first type of earning that you'll be earning with us, that is first 3 CV shortlist. If you have uploaded 5 profiles, okay, and from those 5 profiles 3 of them got shortlisted internally by Snapfind, okay, then you will be earning 100 rupees per CV for those first 3 CV shortlistings. Okay, so this is going to be your very first earning and this is not bad at all to start, right? So the second way of earning with we are having like weekly earnings. Okay, so on every week from Monday to Sunday we are having a weekly campaign, okay, and every week the campaign renews itself. All right, and what you will be earning with weekly campaign, you will be earning 3,000 to 10,000 every week, okay, but there are conditions. All right, this weekly earning or weekly campaign is applicable on all the non-IT roles only, that is active on Snapfind dashboard. Okay, if you're getting 10 shortlistings from Snapfind, you will be earning 3,000 rupees for that particular week. If those 10 CVs are getting ahead with the client and they are getting shortlisted by client, then you will be getting 10,000 rupees for that particular week. All right, the next thing that we are having, that is critical roles. Okay, so sometimes there are few critical roles when the client is very furious, they are asking for, like, profiles, good profiles every day, and we are having a little bit shortage. Okay, in that case we run critical campaigns. Okay, and at that point of time, within the given timeline, if you are providing a valuable candidate, so for each candidate that is getting shortlisted by client, you will be getting from 1,500 to 5,000, any good amount. Okay. The next thing that we are having, make the streak. Now everyone is aware about Snapchat these days, right? In Snapchat, we make streak on everyday basis. If we are sending some photos or any snap to anyone, we make a streak, right? In the same way, in Snapfind, if you're uploading 2 unique profiles on everyday basis, okay, you get rewarded for your consistency. All right, and you get 1,000 rupees extra on top of your other earnings. The next thing that we are having, that is earn on stages. Okay, there are multiple stages from the stage of uploading candidate to get the candidate hired, right? Like candidate getting shortlisted from the client, candidate is getting delivered to the client, and interview rounds, right? So if your candidate is making any positive progress, like if they are getting shortlisted by the client, or if they are getting passing an interview round, or they're reaching to the interview round, appearing to the interview round, you'll get rewarded for interview rounds, and you'll get rewarded for the deliveries as well. Okay, everything is mentioned in the Snapfind dashboard. After watching this video, please go to the dashboard and find out everything by yourselves. Okay, the next thing that we are having, exclusive perks. Okay, so there are multiple leagues like runner and snipers. Okay, once you enter to the runner and sniper league, that means once you start getting hirings, then you'll be start getting few exclusive gifts or extra perks from Snapfind on every month basis if you're maintaining your consistency of hiring. Okay, and then the last thing that we are having, that is very obvious, okay, that is hiring commission on each role. If your candidate is getting hired on each role, you can get 50,000 to 1,50,000. Okay, and I don't think this incentive is any bad at all. Okay, this is a really good incentive. On top of that, there are other earnings as well. So from one candidate, if that candidate is getting hired, you can get hiring commission. If they are not getting hired, you can earn other incentives from that particular client. Sorry, that particular candidate. Okay, so there are a lot of ways of earnings. Okay, all you have to do, just strategize your work and strategize your earnings. Okay, figure out how you can earn max to max within the short period of time by strategizing with these earning methods. Okay, so that's all from my side. I hope this video was informative to you. Okay, make sure you go to the dashboard and check it out, check all of these ways out by yourself. Okay, so we'll be meeting on next video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.